Viva Life App is a smart pass that generates digital health certificates and securely stores your personal medical diagnostic results and vaccination records, enabling easy access to this information when you need it. Viva Life App User Guide. Register and log in. Download Viva Life from the Apple App or Google Play Store. Tap the Sign Up button and complete the required basic information: your first and last name, your email address, and your password, which must consist of 8 to 12 characters, including at least one number, one lowercase letter, and one uppercase letter. If you are part of an enterprise scheme, for example, a testing program at your workplace, they will provide you with a unique 6-digit organization ID that you may bind to your account to automatically sync your app records to the organization's web dashboard. When binding an organization ID to your account, you need to confirm your understanding and authorize your records to be shared with the specific organization. Accept our privacy policy and terms of use by tapping the checkbox. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email to verify your address. Enter the code in the verification screen to complete the registration process. If you cannot find the email, search all your folders for Viva Life, including your spam folder, or contact us at verify@vivalife.app. You may now sign in to bind your credentials to the app by entering your registered email and password. Creating a digital certificate. This can be done anytime after completing the diagnostic test. Note, however, that a photo of the test result is required to be uploaded to the record, and in the case of rapid tests, this would usually be a photo of the actual test cassette used. Since the visual results displayed on most test cassettes are only valid for around 30 minutes, you should either create the digital certificate immediately after completing the actual test, or take a photo of the actual test cassette used immediately after completing the test and upload that photo when creating the digital certificate at a later stage. Tap the Add Certificate button on the bottom of your SmartPass screen. Scan the test product's QR code as displayed on the test cassette or its foil bag. The QR code identifies the product's details, and an error message will display if the code is invalid. Upload a picture of your test result. In the case of rapid tests, this is usually a photo of the actual test cassette used, and in the case of lab tests, this is normally a photo of the lab report. Confirm the test date and select the test result, either negative, positive, or invalid, as visually displayed on the actual test cassette in the case of rapid tests, or as indicated on the lab report in the case of lab tests. Review the automatically generated details of the record and add an optional note for personal reference. Tap the Save button to generate the digital certificate. The digital certificate is available for selection from your SmartPass screen. The SmartPass may include multiple categories of diagnostic tests, such as antigen tests, antibody tests, and nucleic acid tests. However, only the most recent certificate in each category is available for display. Tap the relevant category, in this case antigen test, to view the latest digital certificate. The digital certificates are color-coded as a visual aid according to the test result. The QR code displayed on the digital certificate contains embedded record data that can be scanned for verification purposes using third-party scanners. Records. A comprehensive history of all your saved records classified by category is available on the Records screen accessible from the main menu. You can view the details of each individual record and delete a specific record by tapping the trash can icon. Settings Account. You can update your personal information via the Account Settings screen accessible from the main menu. If you delete or change your associated organization ID, your previously synced records associated with that organization ID will automatically be removed from their dashboard, and no further of your records will be synced to the dashboard in the future. If you change your email address, we will send a 6-digit code to verify your new email address before committing the update. Tap the Save button to commit your account updates. You can delete your Viva Life App account via the Delete Account link at the bottom of the screen and confirm the delete by entering your account password. All your records will be permanently deleted everywhere and are no longer recoverable. Settings Language. You can change your language interface via the Language Settings screen accessible from the menu. We will localize additional languages as and when required.